Please tell us which were your most difficult moments and how did you overcome them? Because we have a lot of entrepreneurs in the room.
Oh boy. Fundraising falling apart is a big one. When you kind of have capital committed, its term sheets are there. The Corona pandemic was probably my most difficult moment. We were in the middle of construction of our beautiful building there, which had a 2-digit million budget, and the banks decided that commercial real estate is no longer financeable, so they pulled the term sheet, and they're like, we need 7 million in 6 weeks. And I think these are always, many of the problems that you face as an entrepreneur sound insurmountable. They sound like they're impossible to deal with. And you need to build an elephant-sized skin against these issues and try to tackle them one at a time. And if you fail, you fail. I mean, well, what are you going to do about it, right? You tried. But to take the panic out of the room, even though there's terrible news, and deal with it, I think is the most important thing that makes me sleep okay-ish.